Well, welcome to Toys Are Evil. Surprise! I'm doing an unboxing. Sorry, my words are not coming out of my mouth clear. I'm doing an unboxing of Great at Work. This was available still is for the next hour and a half, available at the Illustration Arts Festival via the CRUDDY booth. CRUDDY. Okay, this is a pre-release official release. I think it's in September. I might be remembering wrong, but they're releasing this first in IAF, so it's pretty cool. I actually saw it on their reel, or somebody played it on their stories. I might be wrong. Somebody played it on their stories. I saw it, then knew that it existed, then managed to hunt it down. So to me, it's always interesting. To me, social media works, especially for folks like me who might not be instantly connected to the artist or the designer, but it's like the 6 degrees of separation. So it somehow or rather, we would see it. You can blame it on algorithms and whatnot, but to me, it's the giant connectivity around that we get to see each other's works. Having said that, I'm going to be opening up one box to see what this is about. It's $24 per box, Sing money, on location. I don't know how much it would be after the event, so don't wait lah, huh? Grab lah, huh? Support the artists when they booth lah, huh? Ooh, after a while I'm like, don't want to tear into the boxes, and I always end up tearing the bottom, not the top, the bottom. Don't know why. It'd be nice to place lah. Double side tape. Ooh, very sticky. Can. At least I didn't break the box lah. Ta-da! Okay, figure is here. Oh, there's a little card. I'm not going to look at the card. The figure is here. This is basically the size of it. Put down. The wind outside is very strong. This is the size of it. Let's have a look at what's inside. Nice, sealed, proper, like a blind box would be. Oh, these are the legs. These be the legs. Ooh, must come and see like this. Cute lah. I cannot deny blind box. The thrill of blind box. Not that I can afford the thrills, constant thrills, but it's nice to be able to have. Ta-da! Nice. It's like a keychain charm. Is it magnets? No, it's like it is. No, it's like just attached. So, ooh, it is magnets. Is it magnets? Nice. So what? Oh, the mechanism is cool. Okay, so basically it comes like this, loose, but the thread for the keychain hook is up here. It ties to the bottom. So once you pull, not too tight, you basically, the figure is together. Gosh, this is fun lah. This is fun. Nice little imprints. Yeah, it's 3D printed. You can see, which is cool. No problems with this. It is the technology now for you to be able to access and create your own figures. Even myself, I need to be able to embrace that. Let's see what the card is. Ooh, the card is something fun. I know it's something fun. It's like the ID, employee ID. Oh gosh, well done, CRUDDY. Well done, Greg. Great, works hard. Salary not enough. Position still here. Good one lah. Nice little details. Nice little hook. The card. Tie. When salary comes out, let's be happy. Well done, man. Well done. This is a nice touch. Second box. Okay, might as well open up second box lah. Nothing glamorous to do on my end. What Toys Are Evil is what you see is what you get. I can't glam it up even if I wanted to. Ooh, I'm breaking the impatience that I'm feeling. I'm actually destroying the box. Okay, let's have a look at this. This probably will not be, it will be the same for every figure. which is cool. So it's not like individual designed to suit the individual contents. Well, I certainly hope so. Wow. Don't pull double, man. Don't pull double. Okay, crossing my fingers. Okay. One look at the feet is not double, so I'm cool. I'm cool. I'm okay. I'm okay. Ta-da! Nice. What is he holding? Is it a pillow? Sleeping at the desk. Huh? Oh, okay. The head also comes out, so it's a three-parter. So you can see the attachment here, which is very cool. And this slots in, and that's it. This is a figure. Nice. You see a bear-shaped cushion? I think it is. And that's it. This is Greg. Greg with a pink pie. Well done, Greg. So this is 2 Gregs. Ooh. Okay, trying to get him in order so you can have a nice screenshot. There's Greg. Just excuse to play with my toys lah. I just want to shift and touch. This is, oh, yeah, I should have just done that. And this is Greg. That's it. And thus ends my unboxing. Check these figures out. Greg at Work from CRUDDY at Illustration Arts Fest. Today is the last day, Sunday, and they close at 7 o'clock. Once they are closed, check out the link in which I'll put in the captions for the creator to see if we can bug them online. I think it will be an online sale. Yeah. Thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye.